Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about apps that I love. I did this video actually for TikTok and Reels originally, and I wanted to bring it to YouTube. So today we're going to be talking about all the apps that are on my phone. Just kidding, not really, but some of the apps that I really enjoy, some including fitness, organization, and a game also. So in case you guys want to think about new apps to add to your phone, continue watching. Number one is actually this plant app that I have. I really love it because my husband a couple years ago made me a pallet garden on our balcony, and because of that, he gave me 30 plants, it seemed, that I had never before taken care of. And so I needed something to help me figure out how the heck do I take care of these plants? And so this app really is super helpful because you can take a picture of each of your plants. It'll tell you what it's called, and then it will also tell you how to take care of it, which is super handy, obviously. With that, if it's looking ill or it doesn't look like it's thriving, you can take a picture of it again and it will tell you what most likely is the cause. Love that about this app, super helpful. And then on top of it, you can also put reminders to fertilize and water it. You put the dimensions of the pot and the soil you have, and it will tell you how often you need to water it, which is super, super handy. I have a widget on my phone that shows me when they're due. I'm not super diligent at taking care of them when they need to be, but I do my best and they are still alive. The next app is actually called the United States Quiz app, which is a really fun quiz that I like to take throughout the year to keep me sharp on the United States and where they are. So if you are wanting to improve your geography, I would really suggest this app. I wish there was an app like this for the rest of the world. I haven't currently found any for Europe or Africa or any of these other areas. But for the United States, I really love this one. It's super simple. It just pops up with a state name and then you click where you think it belongs. And if you get it right, it'll be green. And if you get it wrong, it'll be red. And then we'll highlight where the correct spot is so that next time it comes around, you can click the correct spot. And so this just helps you learn where each of the states belong. I really love it for that. You cannot fail. You just simply improve how quickly you can do it. I think my fastest time currently is 1 minute and 21 seconds. Might be quicker than that, I forget now. But yeah, highly recommend. It will drastically improve your geography of the United States. Number 3 is actually the Hue app, which I'm sure everyone knows of this app if you are obsessed with lighting. The Hue light bulbs is basically what allows you to dim and change the color of your light bulbs from warm or cool or colorful. And so I have them throughout my house at different points. Not all of my lights are that way, but some of them are. And I really love this app because like I just mentioned, you can change the colors of the light bulbs, but what I really like about it is when I leave, I have them automatically set to turn off and turn back on whenever I come back, which is obviously helpful for the electric bill, but also means I never have to walk into a dark house. I love that for me. And then also I have them turn on slowly in the morning, so I wake up to light instead of darkness, which is also super handy depending on what time of the morning you wake up. And then they also dim throughout the house at night. Love the Hue app, would highly recommend. Okay, next up is an app that I love, 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 which is called GOWOD. And basically it has a bunch of features for pre-workout, post-workout, and you can actually do a test. You test your mobility and your flexibility in the beginning when you first download the app, and then it'll give you a score and it'll tell you what you most likely need to work on, and then it will create a custom plan for you to improve those specific muscles. I'm obsessed with it. It has been so helpful for me. Gives you a really customized flow. And you can also choose if you want to do the custom flow or if you want to choose perhaps upper body or lower body or specific muscles you want to work on. And so love the customization of this app, love the flexibility it provides. You can also choose between, I think it's 8 minutes, 15 minutes, and 20-ish minutes. And I usually do the 15 minutes, or if you have more time, you can do the longer one. So highly recommend this app. I think it's super great post-workout or before workout, or if you have a day off, you just want to stretch. I really love this app. Okay, next app is actually another fitness app, and it's called Fitlist. And this app's really fun because I use it for years now. Anybody who knows me knows I love this app. And this is going to help you track your workouts. My dad growing up gave us a sheet of paper to help us track our weights and how much we were improving as we were working out. However, that can get old really quickly when you have to bring a piece of paper and a pencil to the gym. So this app's really nice because you can just do the same exact thing. It tracks your weight you use, the sets you use, what workouts you did, and so you can always be progressing. It also tracks your progress if you are improving, so next time you go to the gym, you can just be like, what did I do next time? Do I need to do less weight or more weight? And I just love that you don't have to think about it. It takes the guessing game out of it. You can also save presetted workouts, what you created, and put them into folders. And you can also have a little timer to set your rest time. So all of that's taken care of for you, and I just think that's amazing, and I love that. This last app is called the Reminders app, which I'm sure many of you know this app. It usually comes on the iPhone immediately. And I feel like most of the time people use the Notes app over the Reminders app. However, I am a Reminders lover. I love it. So how I use it is for basically everyday tasks that I need to get done, specifically ones that are super repetitive. For example, I have a folder of what I call my work week, and I have every day of the week listed out, and then every task that is reoccurring for that specific day in that, and then it's scheduled out to the minute, basically. And although I might not do it to the minute every day, I do have a list of things that do have to get done, and it really helps my mind stay free for the spontaneous task and keep my mind non-worrisome of the things that I might be forgetting. So I love that for me. And then I also have a folder for my school projects, things that I have to get done, and they're scheduled out as well, so I'm never behind on those school projects. I think it might be too much for some people. However, personally, like I said, it really helps my mind stay clear of the clutter of just random tasks, and I just know it will get done because it's on my Reminders app. And it will notify you when you have a reminder that's scheduled, and it won't go away until you click done. So it also has a satisfying factor of checking things off. So love that. Well, that's all the apps I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love these apps. I have many more apps on my phone that I would love to share with you guys in the future. So if you like this, let me know. I'll link as many as I can down below in case you want to download them as well. I'll see you guys next week. Bye, guys.